guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you a very cool move called the scissors. Now, you probably say to yourself, it looks like the previous move that we learned, the Polly Pocket. So it looks a little bit similar, but it's different. So let's get started. I'm gonna be teaching you facing the back so you can copy me exactly the way you see me. Okay? So, the first thing that I want you to do is to jump open with your right leg diagonal on your heel and land with both feet at the same time, like this. Boom! So make sure that your front foot is on your heel and your back foot is on your toes. Most of your body weight is on the leg that's in the back. Okay, let's try again. 7, go, jump. When you jump into position number 1, try not to take a wide step. Keep it closer, keep it small. Boom. Okay, not like this. You see how big it is? I can't even control my body here. Small step, boom. Okay, so I'm gonna say 7, go. We're all gonna jump into position number 1. 7, go, jump. Good. 7, go, jump. Good. 7, go, jump. One last time. 7, go, jump. From here, I'm going to turn to the other side and the same foot stays up front. In this case, it's my right foot. Boom. Okay? Again. 7, go, position 1 and turn. Again. 7, go. 1 and 7, go. 1 and again. 7, go. 1 and last time. 1 and good. From here, I'm going to switch between my legs and do the same thing to the other side. So from here, I'm switching my legs and turning to the left. And again, switch and turn. Switch and turn. Switch and turn. Switch and turn. Okay, guys, let's try it all together now 8 times slowly. 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and good. Let's go over some tips that can really help you. So a lot of people ask me, Shira, where do you keep your body weight? Like we feel stuck. So that's a really good question. I'll show you facing this way. When I do the scissors, I keep my body weight on the leg that's in the back, and that's important. Once I landed here in position number 1, most of my body weight is on my left leg. Okay? I was here. My body weight is mostly on this leg. And I have to jump to turn to the other side. So I want you to jump and make sure your weight is on the left leg. From here, I'm switching between my leg, and now most of my weight is on the leg that's in the back, which is my right. And I have to jump and switch, jump and switch, turn, turn. Okay, so make sure you keep your body weight back. Okay, that's one. Second tip, make sure that you keep your upper body straight forward. Okay, just like the Polly Pocket, rotate your lower body and keep your upper body and your arms very clean, nice and strong, like this. Okay, guys? Very good job. Let's practice. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having fun, and I'll see you in the next one.